Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to use the system file checker tool built into Windows to check for system corruptions in the Windows system files and actually restore corrupted files all in one application. So this tool will actually scan your system files and repair missing or corrupted system files. And just as a side note, you have to be an administrator or have administrative privileges in order to run and properly execute this tool. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to our search menu. We're going to type in command prompt. It should be labeled as a desktop app. So we want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, select yes. Now within the command prompt, you want to type in sfc space /scan now, and then click on the enter key. This will begin to run the scan, and once the scan is done, I will be right back. Hello everyone, I'm back. The scan did not detect any errors. And that kind of makes sense because I'm not experiencing any system errors on this computer that I'm aware of. However, this should be a very helpful and go-to tool when you're experiencing system errors on your computer. I would highly recommend trying this tool first before exploring more complex options. So again, I hope this tutorial works for you guys, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the next video. Goodbye.